Today we're talking about something seriously unique, the Nubia Z70S Ultra Photographer Edition. This isn't just another smartphone, it's a camera-first flagship, inspired by vintage film cameras. Leather back, brushed glass, even a detachable hand grip accessory that makes it feel like an actual DSLR. Retro vibes, modern firepower. It rocks a massive 6.85 AMOLED display with slim bezels and a hidden 16LP selfie cam. Under the hood, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite up to 24GB RAM and a 6600 mAh battery with 80W fast charging. The camera setup, wild. A 50MP main with a custom 35mm f1.7 lens, a 64MP telephoto, and a 50MP ultra-wide with macro mode. You get 7 focal lengths from 30mm to 140mm. This is basically a pocket camera rig. Oh, and Nubia teamed up with Photogar for pro-level lenses and accessories. It's not just for shooting, and it's for photography lovers. Starting at just $640, this beast might be the best photographer's phone out there right now. So, would you buy a smartphone that looks like a camera and shoots like one too? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, hit like, sub, and we'll see you next time.